Hey everybody, if you've been to my streams, you'll know I have Swolbay and SwolKid running in addition to my main avatar. These eat up a lot of resources, and I was curious to see if there was a better way. After some work, I am proud to present VMC Replay, which cuts down about 15% CPU usage for my use case. Let me first describe my previous setup. vseeface requires a camera and a microphone. Swolbay and SwolKid both use virtual audio cables for their microphones. For the camera, I was using a project called AlterCam. AlterCam can make any video into a virtual webcam. For the video, I used
Hi. So, my name is Boxy.
Because she's based on and she's got a lot of crazy movement. For this bit of magic, AlterCam uses about 10% CPU. On top of this, vseeface was running the face tracking on this video. It's not really super efficient because the video is sort of static. It's always the exact same collection of frames. I have theorized that if I use VMC, I could eliminate face tracking and the video playback, and this would save a lot of resources. I was kind of lazy and I didn't do anything for a while, but then I saw Emiliana VT, the creator of vseeface, tweet out her motion replay project. This was exactly what I was looking for. However, it used a lot of CPU resources and it didn't have the looping functionality I needed. If you'll allow me, let's talk a little bit about the tech side of things. The VMC protocol was originally developed to connect a program called virtual motion capture to other pieces of software. I actually use virtual motion capture daily to do the full body tracking that I do. However, most 3D VTubers will use VMC to connect vseeface to Tifa, or more commonly VTuber Plus, which is the program that lets chat throw stuff at VTubers. I have to admit, other than what I just said, I don't really know what the VMC protocol actually looks like. What I do know is that it goes over UDP, and I can capture and send UDP packets. So I made this really tiny app called VMC Replay. If you want to, go ahead and check out my GitHub, click on releases, and download the latest. On the left, you can configure the name and the port for the recording. You press start to start the recording and stop to stop it. On the right, you can play back your recordings, and you can also have them loop. What I like about this approach is that I can have separate playback for Swolbay and SwolKid to give them a little bit more character. Let's take a look at performance. I don't have to run AlterCam at all anymore, so that's 10% CPU off the bat. You can see here that running both vseeface instances gives me about 5% less CPU usage. For VMC Replay, it uses about 0.2% per replay, and this makes me really happy. At this point in development, I don't really have any ideas for improvements, and I haven't really run into any more bugs, so I'm going to leave it here. If you guys find bugs or think of improvements, feel free to stop by my stream or hit me up on Discord. Later!